played guitar. She played guitar, jamming good with gear and healing, and the spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became a special man, then we were sing his band. She really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down her too, like some plant from Japan. He could lick up my smiling, he could lick up die. They can also load it man, but I can slow attack. So well inspired us, while the right tried to break our home, just to feel like to guide us. So we built a dark mansion street with matching street hand. He was the man with dark ass. He took it all too far, but boy, couldn't play guitar. Making love with his ego, singing sucked up into his mind, like a leper messiah. Well, the guitar killed the man, I had to break up the band. And she played